Alrighty. So, even though I have this covered up and it doesn't look so pretty covered, my peppers, it's giving them a chance to grow. So there's one, there's two, there's three, there's, let's see, four or five in there, six. Hopefully they will grow really big and plenteous, even though the deer has, chopped them off. And my tomato plants twice. This is the second time, so I decided to just cover it up. Meanwhile, I've got to cut these down because they died. My mom's died that I stuck in here. And then, this is funny because I thought I had a mums in here as well. Maybe it was still in the pot. But meanwhile, I put my sign up that says relax. It's out here in, I think, the perfect spot. I really wanted like a boat, some type of sculpture, or something that was what do you call it, wrought iron, that was like a boat, and it would really match with my welcome sign over there. But I decided that I was cool with this because it's it goes along with the theme, of the relaxation, the lounge chairs. I'm gonna put the cushions in. It's just, it's been raining. The lights, the wreaths hanging, the plants, the lavender, right? You got the lavender. You've got the little privacy fence. You've got the rosemary, and you got the brick and some more rosemary. So it just gives it that relaxed feel. So therefore, the relaxed sign seemed great. All right. Well, that's it for today, for right now. Let's see, what have I done? I've gone over, I'm thinking about, let me start this again.